What's up, guys? Chef Anthony with Don's Appliances. So excited today, man. I got the Galley Workstation in full effect, guys. I'm making steak salad, so, let's just go over everything that we did here. Let me slide this guy so everybody can see it on top. But the Galley Workstation makes it so versatile for you to keep all of your components for something like a salad or anything you're preparing right here. The cutting board is right here, so we don't have to run and go get it. Things like that. These all slide on two-tier rack system. So what I mean by that is I can move this to the side. I can get to my condiments. I can get to my washed lettuce that's in the bin under here. So I rinse the lettuce. It's a colander. It can be an ice bath as well if you guys want to chill drinks and have fun like that. It's completely versatile to your surroundings, to your dinner, to your lunch, to your breakfast. Galley has you covered with the workstation. So here's the lettuce, guys. I'll just put some in, rinsed it, chopped it right on the cutting board. You know, now it's salad time. So big bowl of lettuce slides out to the back, nice and easy on the bottom tier, while the top tier has the cutting board. So let's slide over to our condiments. And Galley has a variation of them. There's, small round ones, square ones, whatever you have. They make a, kind of a cutting board or kind of a little compartment for everything you need. Let me slide this guy to the back and I'll slide the steak over here. This right here is just a nice little trivet that really raises on top, so you could actually, keep the whole thing as a buffet even. So now I have my tomatoes that I chopped on the board. They're right in my little pan right here. We'll put a couple of those guys on. I diced up some onion. We'll put it in here too as well. And this one will hold 3, this one will hold 4. So right now I have 7, plus my lettuce is 8, plus my steak and my broccoli mixture is 9, plus the ranch 10. So I have 10 components for one salad right here on the workstation. Huge. All right, we're gonna put a couple cukes on here. This is my favorite salad, so we'll go through there. But, I chopped up the avocado, I chopped up the hard-boiled eggs, I even did the diced pepper, without moving a muscle. So that's super easy and convenient, guys. Now, I used all 7 of these condiments. Let's slide them back. Let's slide our steak and our crunchy slaw on the top. Put the slaw here, put some steak here that I sliced on the board, and now I just present right here. So, drizzle a little salad dressing on here, make some magic. Best part about this is, cleanup's a breeze too. I can slide all these guys across, really use the Galley tap system to kind of clean every corner of this Galley and make it work very nicely. So, finishing out on the workstation, one thing left to do is enjoy the salad. So, thanks guys, hope you enjoyed this.